So I just got to school. It's very rainy outside, but it's very like gloomy. You know, the clouds are out. Anyway, so today I have just one class from 2 to 4:30. It's my advanced fashion sketch class. So basically we just do like a bunch of fashion sketches. My homework was I basically like draped this fabric last class and I just had to like redraw it on the paper. So that was like the homework for this. We have a big project coming up there. There's only like 3 weeks left of the quarter, which is like, you know, a lot of stuff to do. I'm applying for a scholarship for the CFDA fashion scholarship. So yeah, but luckily my classes are like helping us get the scholarship done. Okay, there's literally 2 people right next to me, but whatever. So whenever I have this afternoon class, I always have to have like a snack with me. So I have my RXBAR. This is the peanut butter chocolate. So this video is actually sponsored by RXBAR, my first like real sponsorship. You'll see in my next video. Okay, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and talk about RXBAR. So as you just saw in the last clip, this is what I'm bringing to school as my snack. I pretty much always have a snack with me every time I go to class. Like I just get hungry and I have to have a snack, I have to take a break. So I'm bringing this RXBAR, and it's perfect because it gives me energy, it's filling. So these are like the core ingredients right here, and then there's a few more ingredients on the back, but everything's like very natural. I mean, dates, egg whites, cashews, almonds, chocolate, natural flavors, sea salt. Like these are things that you can pronounce. Nothing weird, nothing like jumbled letters or anything like that. I like that there's no soy in their products because sometimes I try to avoid soy. So that's definitely a good thing. So RXBAR sent me like a ton of the bars and these peanut butters, and I've like gone through a lot of the box. There were a lot of bars in here to begin with. My favorite is gone. It was the chocolate peanut butter, which is so good, but my second favorite is chocolate sea salt and then chocolate chip. These are really good because they definitely like cure your like sugar craving. If you're craving something sweet, like this definitely helps because I know I have the biggest sweet tooth. I think these are good in calories. They're 210 calories, but I mean, I think that's good for like a snack, for like a protein bar. And they have 12 grams of protein, which I think is really good, especially if you're trying to like, you know, get in that beach body. Spring break's coming up, so I have been eating these like I said, for a snack. So I've been using the chocolate peanut butter and the vanilla almond butter in the morning, like on toast with bananas and strawberries, or I put this on pancakes and it was so good. And these are also, these are 9 grams of protein, so that's like really good for like if you're trying to get a lot of protein. This is a good way. There's no like added sugar. Whatever is in the bar that has like naturally occurring sugar, so like dates, cashews, you know. And also I was gonna say, this gives me a lot of energy because usually I have like a crash around the afternoon time. So when I eat one of these on my breaks, like at school or after a workout, it gives me like back that energy, which is really important. I'm also vegetarian, so I don't eat like meat. So I find that things with like high protein, like egg whites and stuff, like I eat that. So that always gives me like higher energy. So yeah, if you guys like RXBAR, or if you've never tried it, they're actually holding a giveaway. So if you subscribe to RXBAR's YouTube channel and follow their Instagram, 10 lucky winners will win a 3-month supply of RXBAR products. So I'm sure you'll get these bars, these peanut butters. The chocolate peanut butter tastes just like Reese's. I swear, so good. So yeah, stay tuned for updates on their socials and be one of the first to enter. Okay, back to the video. Okay, now I have to go to class.
Did you read the person's content, by the way? Yeah.
Alright, now I'm on my break. Here's my friend. Wait, show me your nails. Look how cute her nails are. So cute. Later I'm going over to her apartment because she's gonna be in my photo project for my photo class. Super excited. So I just got to my friend Hanya's apartment. This apartment is like literally the cutest thing ever. I'm about to show y'all. So you walk in and this is the living room. Like, it's so Urban Outfitters cute. Everything is just cute. Like, can you imagine like the outfit pictures in here? Why do you never take outfit pictures right here? It's just so cute in here. Like all the different like art and stuff and the view. My vlog. And then you come into her room and it's even cuter. So I just took pictures of her for my photo class. They're really cute. I'll insert them here. So I just got home. I'm about to start making my dinner. And The Bachelor comes on tonight at 8, so you know I'm gonna watch it while I do my homework. Ah. Wow. Okay, the washing machine is so loud, but this is what I made. I made spaghetti squash pad thai with tofu, and this looks delicious. So now I'm gonna watch The Bachelor, sit here, eat this, and then I'm gonna get my computer and do a little bit of my homework. Guys, look what happened to my computer last night. I am so upset. So tomorrow I have an appointment at the Apple store, but I'm still gonna try to do my homework because I like have to do it on my computer. So I'm on my break right now. I just went to the bookstore because I had to get some muslin, which is like practice fabric basically, for my next class, which is pattern making. We're making, for our final project we have to make an outfit, but first we have to do it like in the muslin. So now I'm going back inside of the building. Gotta tap in with my Just a little backstory. When I got to the Apple store, the lady who helped me was so nice that she told me not to worry about the charge. And it was covered, and it was going to be $475, and she waived the fee. And she said it was going to be ready the next day. I don't know if y'all like care about seeing my food, but this is my food. So it was around 8 o'clock at night. I didn't have my computer because it was at the Apple store, but I had to do homework. So I was getting ready to go to campus and use the computers there.
If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. We just in the pen, I can find you. 6'1" on the money, 9'2". You just say the word and I'll run through. 2 texts, no reply, that's when I knew, yeah, I knew. Touchdown with the money.
So I came early to campus since my computer is still broken and I had to finish my project. I still have like an hour and a half to kill. So I brought my lunch that I had for dinner last night, and I think I might go to the gym. There's a gym at the school, so I brought like a shirt to change into, and I'm wearing my workout pants. So might just do a little workout before class. Okay, there's so many people around me. So I just got out of class. So I'm at Target now. I need to take something back. So I kept the receipt, which is not like me, but I'm trying to be more of a responsible adult and keep all of my receipts and take things back in a timely manner. Okay, so I just got an email that my computer's ready. I'm so happy. So for my pattern making class, we have to make one final outfit, but we have to make a pattern for it first, which is basically like a blueprint. So that's what I'm working on. I'm going to my first class of the day, which is my photo class. We have a presentation today, so I have my pictures to show. At my school, we have a huge printer that prints on fabric, so this was my own fabric that I printed my own image on. So it's been such a long day. I'm home now. It's like 7 p.m. I think. I kind of like forgot to film some stuff today, but basically I just went to like my second class, did some like fashion stuff, made some patterns. I bought this like collage kit to work on my CFDA fashion scholarship that I'll show you guys a little bit what I'm doing. I just ordered Postmates and he's like really close, so I'm going to go get it. Alright, so I guess I'm doing a little mukbang here. Is a tofu Thai peanut salad, and this, just a little hack for you, if you're ever like ordering out or ordering online, getting like the kids order of noodles way cheaper, and it's like a smaller portion. It's like $5. So Friday was kind of a weird day. I tried to go to an event that my school was putting on, but basically got turned away because they were at capacity. Was really upset about it, but I just ended up going back to campus and working on the rest of my project to finish it. And then later that afternoon, I was helping out on a music video. I styled all the outfits for it, so I was going to pick up my friend. Here's the clip where I'm telling you what's been going on today. We shot the film. That was really fun. Then I stayed up till 3 a.m. turning an old pair of jeans into a new shirt that I was going to be wearing the next day on the set of something really exciting that I'm working on. So I just got ready. This is the top I made last night. It took so long. I didn't go to bed till like 3. Woke up at 8:30. I'm about to run out the door though. I'm doing a campaign shoot for the Atlanta streetwear market, and I'm going to have a booth in it at the end of April. So if you live in Atlanta, or if you want to visit Atlanta and come see my shop, come shop with me and meet me, then details below. And yeah, I'm so excited. So the shoot went really well, and then I got stuck in so much traffic, but I got my nails done, so I'm finally like feeling back to myself. And this is like so cute. This is like really cute jelly nails. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here because it's been a pretty long week, and I still have a lot of homework to do. Probably gonna treat myself and might go out tonight. So hopefully that happens and I can just like relax. Tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow I'm actually going to see Virgil Abloh speak at the High, and I'm like so excited. I waited in line at like 5 a.m. 2 weekends to go to get the ticket, so I'm really excited for that. Little did I know I was going to meet Virgil himself, and then he signed my freaking shoe. Okay, I just had to let you guys know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you soon.